Here we are back in downtown Phoenix, and it is May 15, 2020. And then here it is. We just finished installing this beautiful wood floor. Solid, 5-inch wide, red oak. Turned out amazing from what it was before. So we put 3/4 inch plywood down, and on top of that, we nailed down this beautiful solid wood floor. Need any kind of wood flooring projects done here in downtown Phoenix, central Phoenix, give us a call. You can see the details. Nice, beautiful cut. And we're in and out in one day. That's what you get when you give us a call. 602-446-2613, royalwoodflooring.com. You can see it turned out amazing. Brand new float around. Old one was wood and it shattered into pieces when we tried to reuse it. And we do pay attention to detail. Look at that beautiful float around. Nice cuts, nice edges. So just give us a call today if you need any wood flooring projects done. We also sand, stain, and refinish wood floors throughout the valley. Turned out amazing, like always. Like all the jobs we do here in the valley. We do them once and do them right. And we did make it nice and smooth and flush here. Amazing work by Royal Wood Flooring.